Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. For this tutorial, you can use any type of pencil, a thin eraser, and a paper stump or any other blender. So let's get started. First, we're going to make two identical circles right next to each other. Make sure to lightly sketch the guidelines as they will be erased later on. Then, we will add another circle in the middle. Now leave a little space from the middle circle and make 4 oval shapes to represent the digital pads. Now draw the exact same structure diagonal from the first one. Start connecting the outer parts of the circle until you have a basic paw shape. Now do the same thing on the other side. Once you're done with that, erase all the guidelines. Then, add 2 highlights near the top part of both paws. After that, darken the lower parts of all the oval shapes. Now shade the upper part, keeping it darker than the bottom. Make sure to keep the highlight blank as it resembles the light's reflection. Do the same thing on the other side, then blend the shaded parts, leaving a gradient effect. After that, erase the bottom half of the paw and darken the top area. Now blend it out again and keep the bottom part lighter than the top. Now shade the ovals the exact same way you shaded the paws. Now darken the bottom part of the paw. Now go in with the mini eraser and fix the highlights on the paw. And also add highlights on the top part of the oval shapes. Now add the claws. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below.